Did you know there could be unclaimed money from bank home foreclosures waiting for you? Yes, indeed. In the vast financial landscape of the United States, there are rivers of unclaimed funds just waiting to be discovered. Today, we are going to navigate these rivers and guide you on how to claim surplus money from bank home foreclosures. Surplus funds, also known as overages, are funds that remain after a foreclosure sale. These funds belong to the original property owner. However, many people don't know that this money exists or how to claim it. So, let's unravel this mystery together. First things first, identify if there are surplus funds available. How do you do that? You need to check with the county where the property is located. Contact the county treasurer's office or the office of the clerk of court. They can help you find out if there are surplus funds from a foreclosure sale of your property. Once you've confirmed that there are surplus funds, the next step is to file a claim. The process may vary from county to county and state to state. However, the general process involves filling out a claim form. This form typically requires basic information, like your name, the property address, and your contact information. It may also require proof of identity and proof of ownership of the property. After filling out the form, you need to submit it to the appropriate office, usually the same office where you obtained the form. It's advisable to ask for a receipt or some form of confirmation that your claim has been received. Now, you wait. The processing time can vary greatly. It can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, but don't worry, patience is a virtue, and this one could pay off quite literally. Once your claim is processed, if everything checks out, you will receive your surplus funds. The funds are usually paid by check, but the method of payment can vary. Now, here's an important tip. Always stay vigilant for scams. There are many unscrupulous people out there who prey on homeowners, promising to recover surplus funds for a fee. Remember, you can claim these funds yourself for free by following the steps we've outlined today. To summarize, to claim surplus funds from a foreclosure, you need to 1. Identify if there are surplus funds available by contacting the county office where the property is located. 1. File a claim by filling out a claim form and providing the required information and documents. 1. Submit the claim form to the appropriate office and wait for the claim to be processed. 1. Receive your surplus funds once the claim is approved. Remember, this is your money. It's out there waiting for you to claim it, so take the initiative and claim what's rightfully yours. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Happy claiming! If you find the contents of this video beneficial, we invite you to subscribe to this channel, like, and share this video.